Do you know that WhatsApp add a new feature? To know what is this feature, just follow this video till the end. In this video, I will show you how to enable transcription for your audios or for others' audios. For example, when someone sends you an audio and you don't understand what he said, you can just tap for transcribing or transcription to get this sentence here, as you see, to get transcription for their audios. So to know how to do that, just follow me step by step. The first thing you have to do is to go to WhatsApp. After that, you will find these three dots. So you will click here on these three dots, as you see. After that, in this page, you will find settings. So you will click on settings. Then here in this page, you will enter to chats. So you will click on chats. After that, you will find a window that's called voice message transcripts. Read the new voice messages. So you will click here. And after that, you will click on you will find here read your voice messages with transcripts, and you will click on choose language. When you click here on choose language, you will find these languages. You can click on English, for example. Because this feature is still new, so there is not a lot of options about languages, but at least there is English language, and these languages you can choose them, for example English, and then we click here set up now, as you see. And when you click here to set up, you will find this page, as you see here. You can tap on manually, tap transcribe when you want to when you want a transcript, as you see. And when you go to your WhatsApp or to your chats, for example, if you send an audio for a friend, here, and when you click on transcription, it will be transcribed automatically, as you see here. And if it's not transcribed automatically, you can tap on the audio here. After that, you will click on these three dots on above. Then here in this page, you can find transcribe. You will find it here if it's not transcribed automatically. So it will be appeared like this in your WhatsApp. And if you want to disable it and you don't want to show transcriptions on WhatsApp, you can go again here to settings, click on chats, go again to voice message transcripts, and you click here on receive transcripts never, and then you can stop it here. So that's it. If you are enjoying watching this video, and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.